Hello, today I'm going to be doing aeroplane 2. So what you do first is, you bend this corner to here, and you go over it with your finger. You do the same to the other side, and you go over it with your finger. Now you open it, and you bend the top part to until it reaches the middle. Oh, not the middle, until it reaches these lines where the X is, and so it has to reach there. Then this has to be here, sorry. Then you've got this. What you do is you bend this part so it's like this. Then you open it again, then you rip it. Then what you do is you take this paper out to the side. I'll pick it up in a minute. Yeah, and you take this part now. What you do is, you've got a middle line here. You take the top bit and take it to the middle line. Then when you took it to the middle line, you open it. Then you rip it. You bend it down. You go over it with your finger. Now, where you creased, if you can remember, we creased it like this. You take this part here and you rip it and to the middle. Then you take this part and you bend it. Do the same to the other side. Just like that. You leave this as it is. So after you've done this, now we've come to this. You bend this down just a little bit. Not the whole way, just a little bit. Then you do the same to the other side. Now it's like this. Now you put this to the side. And you take the other paper. Now you open it. What you do now is, you take the middle bit. You see this middle line here? You pick both of them and you put it to the middle. Sorry, this is my little brother. Yeah, so now you take it to the middle. So it's like that. Now what you do is, you take this part, now you do this. You bend the top part to the middle, and you do the same to the other side. When you've done that, you do it to the other side. Now, you do this. You do the same to the other side. So it's like this. You go over it with your finger. Go over it with your finger. Then you open them. Now what you do is, you take the middle part. Like this bit. It doesn't have to be fully neat, but try your best to make it neat. And do the same to the other side. So it's like this. Now you bend it down. Then what you do is you turn it around so it's like that. Then you get this bit and you bend it halfway through. Not all the way. Go over it with your nails. Now what you do is so you bend this part down to like reach the middle bit here and the center the other side. Then what you do is you close it like this, so both sides appear like that. Then you open it, then you do it the same to the other side, so both of them are the same. So what you do now is you do this, and then you do this. It doesn't have to be in here. Now you get this back, you open it like that, you put it in here. Sorry, wrong way around. Put this in here, then close it like that. Here you are. It should work fine. Please subscribe.